Want to watch your favorite YouTube TV shows on the go without using data? With YouTube TV's offline download feature, you can save content for later. This complete guide will show you how to download videos for offline viewing. Step 1. Check for compatibility. Make sure you're using a mobile device, Android or iOS, with the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Offline viewing is not available on desktop devices, smart TVs, or gaming consoles. Step 2. Open YouTube TV and sign in. Launch the YouTube TV app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 3. Browse and find content. Search for the shows or movies you want to download. You can browse through the library or live sections or search directly using the search bar. Step 4. Look for the download icon. Next to supported content, you'll see a download icon, a downward arrow. Tap this icon to start the download. Step 5. Manage downloads. Once the content is downloaded, you can access it from the Downloads section in the YouTube TV app. Here, you can view, delete, or manage your saved videos. Step 6. Watch offline. When you're ready to watch, go to the Downloads section and tap on the video you want to view. No internet connection is needed for playback. Bonus tip: offline content is saved for a limited time, typically up to 30 days. Be sure to watch it before it expires or re-download it if needed. Enjoy watching YouTube TV offline anytime. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.